Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to open CS2 cases. Okay guys, let's go. Using my promo code Makesh and you can get the 10% extra bonus to deposit. Okay guys, let's go open the first case. So this case open. Let's go guys. The first case, processing the case. Please. Nice. Oh shit, bro. Bro, what are you doing? Okay, guys, let's go open the time cases and disabling the cases. Please. Nice, that's butterfly. What the fuck, bro? Bro, oh shit, bro. Bro, what are you doing? Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Okay, guys, let's go open the fast mode. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, yes. Oh, no, what the fuck? No problem. Let's go guys. Set up the harvest and guys open. Let's go. Processing the case. 90 virus. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys. Open the 4 cases. Okay, let's go. Okay, green energy, active, and able. Okay, no problem. Let's go, guys. Okay, processing the cases. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, this guy is open. Let's go. Okay, let's go guys. Come back. Oh, again, everything working. Okay, no problem. Let's go guys, open the okay. Come back. This way is okay, let's go. Oh, okay. Skin. Okay. Okay, no problem. This no Makesh. Okay, I think this video is in the video about part subscribe and like.